Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to add vertical background blur in Canva. So as you can see here on my screen, this is our sample output for today's tutorial, and let me show you how I did it. So let's go into our Canva dashboard, create a blank video, and then let's upload the video that we need. So in my case, I already uploaded it. All right, let's find a frame that we want to be our background for the video. So let's say, for example, this is the one I chose. Go ahead and click share and then click download. Make sure to change the file type to PNG because what we need is just a photo for now. Click download. As soon as that's done, let's delete the video that we have and let's go to upload again, images, and upload the PNG file that we had earlier. Now, once that's uploaded, add that to your scene. So that would be your background. And then click on the image, click on edit image. From here, let's go ahead and adjust. And then let's go to blur, and it's up to you how blurry you want it to be. But I think this is nice. So that's good to go. And then let's go back to the videos and let's add our video again. All right, let's make it to a full size. And then once it's on full size, let's crop it. All right, and then let me put that in the middle. Okay. After this, let's go ahead to elements. Let's type in shadow. From the graphics side, click on see all and then choose this one. Click on that and then let's rotate so that it will be vertical. And then let's just put it on the side. Let's make a copy. Let's move it on the other side and then make sure to flip. So go here and choose flip, flip vertical. All right. Once you're satisfied on how it looks, click on the shadow that we added, right click on it, select arrange and send it backward. Do the same on the other side. Right click, arrange, and send backward. Now you can play with it if you want it to look more embossed. Just adjust your shadow, the background. All right. I think this works for me. So when you go ahead and play, this is how it looks. Now, once you're happy with the result, go ahead and share, click download, and this time, since we need the whole video, click on MP4 video, just like what we have right now, and then click on download. And that's it. That's how easy you can add vertical background blur in Canva. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.